Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure new Relic browser agent with React apps step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your new Relic account. Navigate to the browser section in the new Relic dashboard. Click on the Add More button to select a new application. Choose the option for Single Page Application or React from the presented options. You will be prompted to select your preferred method of installation. Choose Manual Installation to get the JavaScript snippet. Copy the provided JavaScript snippet to your clipboard. Open your React application in your code editor. Locate the main entry file, usually index.js or app.js. Paste the JavaScript snippet at the very top of the file. Modify the new relic.init configuration parameters as needed. Set the application name to match the one you registered in New Relic. Adjust the license key in the snippet to your account's key. Save the changes to your entry file. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Run npm install new relic to include the new relic package in your project. Once installed, configure any additional settings in your application as per your requirements. Rebuild your application by running npm start or yarn start. Once the application is running, navigate to your React app in the browser. Verify the integration by checking the browser section in your new Relic dashboard. Look for data reporting from your application, which should start appearing shortly. You have successfully configured the new Relic browser agent with your React application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.